Whoa, yeah, how you doing? Hey, welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Today we're not going to get too dirty because I'm wearing my good, nice Dickin flannel. I'm Team Dickin now because I got a free one from Bikes, Beards, and Brews. But also, I want to run that intro. Welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel, Dickin Around in the Shed. Run that intro. Quick one today. Well, come on, say blue is...
Yay! Give me a kiss. Mwah!
Yeah.
Oh, the red candle.
I'm the orange. Somebody said I needed a warning, so I got one. It says, warning. If you take stuff too serious, we just having fun. If you take stuff too serious, this channel may not be for you, buddy. Putting fab shot, but hey, it works for me too. So this is what I've been dicking around with. It's just, I don't know what it's gonna be yet. I just had some leftover parts and, you know, a hubcap from a, old change. I might make a clock out of it. Might make a mirror. You know, it makes a good mirror. But what we're doing today is just a quick, easy install video. And you can't get no easier than this. I'm adding. Let's see what else we got in here. I'm adding Nitrous. I'm adding Nitrous to the blue bike. It just ain't fast enough. So I'm going to pop this Nitrous button in. And we're going to see how fast it is. Let's go over to the bike. Let me get some lights on the subject. Probably don't work. I don't know. It look good to you? Look good to me. Step one is locate where we're going to put this Nitrous button. Make it go faster button. Get going button. Yeah. Woohoo. Doesn't get no easier than this. Yep. You locate your button that you're going to put it. And I'm going to use this hole right here. And instead of taking my fairing apart, I'm just going to clip this little thing off right here. Probably shouldn't do that, but it's just a cap. And then I'm going to insert this Nitrous button. That doesn't fit. I have to cut that. It's supposed to fit. Alrighty then. Need some persuasion. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Nitrous. Woo! Go fast. Go, baby, gone button. Get gone button. I don't think it's gonna come out. You want the Nitrous to be level. It's level. Oh God, y'all believe in that crap? So let's see if it works. Turn it on. Works. Oh God. Nitro. It's a laughing gas for motorcycles. It matches the blue bike almost. Yeah. Make it go fast. Told you, if you I'm gonna make sure I read it. It's like your Miranda rights. We just having fun. If you take stuff too serious, this channel may not be for you, buddy. That's the motto. Anyway, that was just a little cap thing. Somebody probably believe in that. It's just a little cap thing that plugs in there and gives you, it's just a novice, it's just it's just a joke thing. Just add to the fun of it. If somebody believes it's a nitrous button, good for them. I got beachfront property in Arizona I sell you, and a bridge in New York. Anyway, y'all just watching Blue Bike Noise channel, and I'm fixing to go for a little ride. So if you would, you can check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and we're gonna go for a ride because it's pretty outside and I ain't got one day off.